Hi everyone, today we are drawing a simple landscape in pencil. It's easy, you'll see. Now, many of you ask me something. Why do you start with those rough, messy lines? Why do not begin clean and make it look good right away? Well, here's the reason. That first step, the rough sketch, is the most important part of the drawing. Even if it looks messy, because that's where everything begins. It's where your idea takes shape, where you build the structure, the balance, the proportions of your drawings. When I start a drawing, I don't see every detail in my mind, just the general idea. I like to let the drawing develop its own character, its own life. That's why I draw softly, loose strokes, easy to erase, easy to change. So the drawing can tell me what it wants to become. It's alive. If you are drawing alone, don't skip this part. This is where you decide what belongs where. You're building the foundation of your drawings. And without a good foundation, nothing holds. Remember. Now, we've all copied all the artists. And that's fine. It's part of learning. Copy the styles you love. It keeps you motivated. If you copied styles you don't love, you may leave drawing sooner or later. But remember, know your level and know your goal. It's not the same to draw for fun as it is to dream of museums. Both are beautiful, both are worthy, but they take very different paths. Once your sketch feels right, we move to dark tones, okay? Okay, I have almost finished my rough sketch. All of this is made with an HB pencil, as you see on screen. Draw some parts like these trees that are very far from us, and they create deepness in your drawing. Okay? Okay. Perfect trees with just some lines. Now, I think all this part will be with leaves. Okay? Now, I'm using a 6B pencil. If you don't have one, this stage I am using this. I changed my pencil, as you see. If you don't have one, a 4B or even a 2B, very sharp, will do. Just press it a bit harder and work a little more. And don't be afraid to erase. The eraser isn't just for mistakes, it's a drawing tool. You can even trim it, you can sharpen for fine lines. The eraser is a really valuable tool of drawing. For blending, as you'll see in the drawing, I just use a tissue. Simple, effective. There are better tools, of course, like blending stamps, but we'll talk about this another day. Today we keep it simple. As you see, I take the pencil in several different ways, so I get different effects. Now I'm just filling the paper with graphite powder of this pencil so I can blend it with my tissue, as you'll see. Very easy, very soft. These parts are the main shadows of our drawing, and we need graphite to work with it, just like a painting. As I said before, this tissue, okay, soft, try not to blend too much the trunks of the trees. Okay, little circles or lines to blend every part of this drawing. Now, perfect. As you will see now, with this step, you have made almost your drawing. And with this tool, as I said before, this is an eraser, it's like you are painting with white tones. You see? This is negative drawing technique. Okay, let's talk about drawing tools. About paper. You can draw on regular printer paper. Yes, no problem. You know, it won't last long. In a few years, it will be almost destroyed, or yellow, or your drawing fade. But you can use it to practice and to draw, no problem. So, when you can, get drawing paper. Smooth, medium, or rough grain, depending on the effect you want. Smooth is great for portraits. Medium, my favorite, is good for everything. Rough, perfect for landscapes. Also, check the weight, the grams. For watercolor, 300 grams or more is perfect, but for drawing with pencil, between 130 and 180 grams is perfect. Remember, thicker paper handles erasing much better. Now, I'm drawing all darker tones. I usually draw darker tones just after doing my rough sketch. And as artist and teacher of art, I think it's the best way to make a drawing. Okay, beautiful. Keep your pencil sharp, okay? If not, you could not do these branches. Okay. Let's give balance with this lonely tree of this side. This tree is giving balance to your drawing. In this side, it's against the other trees. And the trail of the forest, the path, as you see, has an S shape or seed shape because it gives more interest to your drawings. Okay? Try not to draw in the trunk, leaving white spaces. Shadow here. Okay. Little more detail, this part. As you see, they are only lines. Easy. If you need, you may stop this video. No, don't worry. Okay, if you're starting drawing now, just make sure you got an HB pencil, a B pencil, and H pencil. That's enough, but remember, pencils don't make the art, you do. You can have the best set in the world, but sitting in the box, they are just pencils. They only come to life when you start drawing, okay? Oh, and one more thing. Some of you asked me about the painting tutorials I've been posting lately in the channel. Yes, they are on a new channel now. This one is just for drawing tutorials. This channel, and the new one, all videos will be about painting. You'll find the link in the description, and if you can, drop and leave a comment. Tell me what you like or what you'd like to see next. It really helps me to improve this new channel. Okay, keep drawing. And you see, a drawing is alive and it is developing by itself. Step by step. These trees were a little bit... need more. Okay, better. These two. Okay. Now, when I'm finishing my drawings, I switch to a 2H pencil like this. It's great for fine details and for deepening the tones over dark graphite. A really versatile pencil, very useful. Okay, just take your pencil and put yourself to draw. Right now, don't wait. Okay, when I draw over the dark lines of the 6B pencil, as you see, they become very, very dark. It's almost magic. I have some shorts on this channel about this effect. It's very useful, as you'll see. Now, some details on the branches. We are almost finishing our drawing. Okay, this tree was a little sad. I can make it more funny. Maybe a little more branches and some leaves. Okay, some leaves. This way. To see it's very easy. Okay, don't leave your skies completely white. The edges of these leaves, okay. Okay, if you are here now and you have seen all this video, you like it, so smash the like button. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Okay, I think that's all for today. It is finished. So keep practicing, keep drawing, draw a lot, and enjoy the process. But always be very happy. Drawing makes you happy. Okay, see you next time. Be very happy. Bye.